Hello and welcome to a new episode of Top 5 Android Applications of the Week, and this week we are going to be talking about these 5 unique Android apps that you must have installed in your Android phone. So without wasting your time, let's get started. This is one of the best applications from Google's digital well-being apps. It helps minimize distractions from your phone by holding notifications and only showing them at a set time. Of course, you can set the time based on your preferences. Okay. This is a lifesaver for those who often find themselves distracted by their phones when working. It's very simple. Great. Your notification will be grouped and then it will be delivered to you at this time. You can install this application from Google Play Store, Postbox. Okay, this brilliant and unique application actually helps in self-improvement and motivates you to become a better version of yourself. This application is jam-packed with useful and informative information that you could learn from to improve on habits and a lot more. As you can see that there are lot more practical steps and information about your habit, information about self-improvement. Okay, you can learn how to live healthy, be a better leader, and or manage time effectively, or many other things are there. You can just create an account in this to get relevant recommendation and save your favorite ideas with this account, and there are so many other things are there. So you must use this application to be a better version of yourself. Out of all unique Android applications, this is the most significant, and you can make a difference in the world by just installing this app on your phone. Dream Lab is a unique application that you can install to help contribute toward cancer research. All you need to do is you must install this application to your mobile phone, and then this app works by downloading data and using your smartphone CPU to calculate and analyze the data before sending it back to the researcher. So what you are doing is you are helping researchers to research about cancer, and you are helping for a good cause. As you can see that you can support for COVID, you can support for many other diseases like drugs and many other things. Like you can just select, and then it will start downloading the data to your mobile phone, and then it will calculate the data using your CPU, and then it will send it back to the researchers. So you don't have to do anything, you just have to install this application, and then you can select a project, and then whenever your device is plugged in, they will download and they will calculate their data using your CPU. It's the best application, and it will be your contribution towards a good cause. If you are really concerned about your online privacy, which you should be, then you must check out this Tor browser. This browser app is not just another tool to browse the internet. The Tor network, or the Onion network, allows user to browse the internet without being tracked. It is not like your typical VPN service, since the VPN service provider does know your IP address. However, Tor hides your IP, routing everything between several nodes. So it's very best for hiding your identity online. If you are very much concerned about your privacy online, then you can just use this Tor browser. And the last application is WhatsRemoved. It's WhatsRemoved Plus. It's the best application that allows you to monitor your notifications, and just you can read a message, you can read a WhatsApp message that has been deleted from WhatsApp. It will read messages from notifications. Whenever somebody deletes a message on WhatsApp, then you can read a message through your notification. So it's very best application. It's an awesome application for you if you want to read messages, read deleted messages, or read messages directly from notification. So these are 5 top and unique applications of this week. If you want more videos like this, just comment below and like this video and subscribe for more videos like this.